just went public this morning. They priced at 15. They're down a little bit in the early trading, but we'll see how it goes for the end of the day. I'm joined by CEO Dustin Bogue. So, Mr. Bogue, when we look at your company, you're more of a developer at this stage rather than a home builder. You sold 41 homes last year. How many do you expect to sell coming up in 2013?
Yeah, we're actually sold more in the second quarter than we sold all of last year, and so we're definitely growing that platform, but our message is really more about being long in land early in the cycle. It gives us an opportunity to build community count, which is obviously how you grow the home builder.
Right, you have 5,000 plus lots, and you bought them at pretty good prices, I hear.
Yeah, we've been fortunate. We sort of ran into the burning building while everyone else was running out, and so we've been able to acquire about an 8-year supply during the low point of the market, so we've got a fairly compelling basis.
I hate to say that we're burning because, we know that there are a lot of parts of California that are susceptible to fires, but the communities that you're in are not necessarily in those fire-prone zones.
Yeah, most of our operations are in Northern California, away from mountainous areas, and Puget Sound, which is not usually a fire region, so we don't spend a lot of time worrying about the fires.
That seems to be a very up-and-coming area, right? The Washington area?
Washington's an outstanding market. The psychographics and demographics of that market are very similar to the Bay Area, which, as everybody knows, is one of the best markets in the country. The high-tech component, software, biotech, trade and distribution, it's an outstanding location.
What is your average price point for the homes you're selling? Because when I look at your homes, they vary widely from $200,000 to $800,000.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We cover a broad geography, so it's very much so a micro market discussion. Our ASP is about $366 for Q2.
Okay, so when we look at the homes, what are the trends you're seeing? Because are you seeing more 3-car garages?
The trends we're seeing really are more about household creation and community. So we sell a lot of homes that are great room focused, opportunity for family to come together in a casual way and entertain. It's a very social lifestyle.
Open floor plans?
Very open floor plans, yeah.
I saw something that I have to ask you about, a retreat room. I'm not familiar with that. We don't have a lot of those in New York. What is a retreat room?
Well, as a parent of small kids, I very much so would like to have a retreat room. Effectively, it's a refuge off a master bedroom where you can go and sit in front of a fireplace and read a book or a couple of quiet moments to yourself. It's an opportunity for the adults to have a quiet space.
I'm sure you don't have a lot of quiet moments for yourself these days. What are your plans for this coming year?
Our plans for this coming year are to knuckle down and deliver on our commitments and continue to grow our platform, which we're fortunate with 5,800 lots in our portfolio. It gives us the opportunity to grow community count and really deliver for our shareholders.
All right, well, I'm going to have to let Dustin go. He sounds like he's got a lot of houses to get busy building. That's Dustin Bogue, the CEO of UCP, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.